This strange and powerful story has been acclaimed as the most terrifying of all time, as it bursts forth the unequaled horror of an island of monsters created by a human beast.
Welcome to Monster Makeup Tutorial Class. Please get an adult to help supervise, as you will be working with hot boiled water. Step 1, boil about 1 cup of water. You can also do this in the microwave. Step 2, put 2 cotton balls into a heat-tempered bowl and sprinkle 1 package of gelatin on top. Next, pour boiling water over top. You don't need much, just use a little bit. About 1/4 will do. And mix, 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 mix. Now, as the water starts to cool, start to pull apart your cotton so that it starts to take the shape of decaying skin. The gelatin will help stick it to your cheek as it starts to dry, and the drier it gets, the stickier it will get. Let the gelatin dry for a few minutes until it's set in. Meanwhile, take any extra mixture that you have and apply it to a friend's face. If you want to add any screws or safety pins for creep factor, that's totally up to you. Now it's time to start applying the makeup. Start with a liquid cover-up. Don't do too much because you don't want your scar to get wet again, but start to blend it into your skin. Apply it to your partner, and then grab your dark eyeshadow color. You're gonna start to create a decaying skin tone with a black eye. You can use a brush to fill in some of the holes to help add depth and extra character. Just makes it look a little bit more realistic. And then you start to blend the black all the way up underneath the eye. You're trying to create that black eye bruising look. Use brown to help kind of even out some of those darker lines that are created with the black. Keep blending your makeup, and we're gonna add some bright red lipstick right underneath our eye to make it look irritated. Blend that in nice so it looks like a bruise. Careful not to get lipstick in your partner's eye. This takes a lot of trust. And that's it. There you have it. You have a decaying cheek with a black eye, just like a zombie. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have fun scaring your neighbors.
I won't see anything.
Until next time.